In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove lock screen wallpaper history on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Let's start by talking about what the lock screen wallpaper history actually is. When you change your lock screen background, Windows keeps a small history of the images you've used before. These show up as thumbnail previews in your lock screen settings, so you can quickly switch back. But if you've tried a lot of different wallpapers, or you just want a clean, fresh look, you may want to clear that history and remove those previously used images. First, open the Settings app on your Windows computer. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, then clicking on the gear-shaped Settings icon, or by pressing Windows key plus I. Once Settings is open, look for the section called Personalization. This is where Windows lets you control things like your background, colors, themes, and of course, the lock screen. Inside Personalization, click on Lock Screen. Here you'll see a preview of your current lock screen, along with options to change the background. Depending on your setup, the background might be set to Windows Spotlight, Picture, or Slideshow. You'll also notice some smaller thumbnail images showing the previous wallpapers you've used. These are what we're going to clear. If your lock screen is set to Picture, you'll see one main image with a row of previously used pictures underneath. To effectively clear the history, start by choosing a new placeholder image that you don't mind using temporarily. This can be any simple picture on your computer. Click Browse. Navigate to a folder with an image, select it, and set it as your new lock screen background. Now, to remove the old history previews, you'll need to replace them over time by choosing new images, because Windows doesn't provide a direct Clear History button in the interface. The idea is to cycle through a few new wallpapers so that the older ones are pushed out of the recent list. Pick several different images one after another, each time using the Browse button and setting a new picture. As you do this, the thumbnails of your previous wallpapers will gradually be replaced by the new ones you've just applied. If you prefer to stick with one final wallpaper, simply set your desired image last, after you've cycled through a few temporary ones. When you're done, your lock screen will show only the most recent wallpapers, effectively clearing out the older history from view.